Assalamualaikum and very good day. Uh, Today we will try to do the exercise 6 regarding the storing of database. So you have to start with first you need to create the WSEAS database where this file is already backup. And then you need to download this file from the UM Learning, and then after you download and put it this directory to your backup directory. To your backup directory instance, okay? Or you can put anywhere this file, as long as you can find this file later, right? Okay, how to restore this WS, I call it visas. How to restore the visas database? Okay, first go to the login to your SQL Server, and then you see in my system I don't have yet the visas database, right? So we would like to restore the database, the visas database. So what you need to do is start. You have to right click the database, right click, and click the restore database. Okay. Okay, restore database, and then okay, we need to restore database from the devices, not from database, from the devices. Where the devices, we will find the database where you. In this case, we choose the file, not the backup devices, the file itself. Then we need to add the backup database that we already created, right? In this case, need to find the visas database. Okay, click add and go to in my case I put database here at this directory. This is my directory. Okay, so I have to change directory. Okay, this is my directory where I put my backup. So I click this visas backup and okay. Okay, and then okay. So now the system will find the visas database at this directory. All right. And okay, and then you go to file. Okay, if you in this case the file will be installed at this the main data directory of SQL Server instance, right? You can see here, right? If you need to change the directory, you will click here, but in this case we just use the instant directory. So where after we install it, the data will be restored to the data directory, the instant data directory, right? Okay, and then don't need to do anything here. And so this is option, click the option, right? You can either choose override or override with replace, or because this only the only one file. So visas is only one file we need to restore. So you can choose any option here. In this case, I choose override. Even they don't have yet the database, there's no problem with that. And then choose a recovery state. Okay, in the recovery state, because we restore only one file, so we will choose restore with recovery. If we later we do restore of many file or multi-file file, maybe we need to use other option, right? In this case, we straight away using the with recovery option. Okay. Now all the setting that you need to do for this to restore this visas file. Okay, and then everything is okay. You just click okay. Okay, when everything is okay, you can start. You can click okay, right? So database visa is already restored. Okay. Now you can check this already have a visas here, right? Visa is already installed, and check the database here. This is actually the database for the visas, right? Okay, you can check now. This I have already the visas database here, right? Just the table conference title is actually the contain one table for this visas database. Right?